Format of this vlog: I share what's on my mind, and then I answer a question from previous vlogs. So feel free to use timestamps below as you see fit. And what's on my mind today? And this is just building off of the last few vlogs, the walk and talks. And I think for me personally, when I think about success, there are a few prerequisites: consistency and hard work. But what happens once you have the consistency down and you're working hard? The next step that I think about is the tactics and the strategies. Because once you're consistent, once you're actually showing up, now you can implement those tactics and strategies. And I relate this to fitness, and especially when people come to me for fitness advice, because I've been known as that fitness guy now, and they come to me advice for nutrition, to get fit and all that. And I'm more than happy to give the advice. But I want to know that, one, you're gonna be consistent, and two, you're gonna work hard first before I give you the tactics and the strategies. Because if you don't have the consistency and the hard work, then the tactics and strategies are useless. And this is what happens when people come to me and they want to know how to get fit. They want to know the tactics and the strategies, when they should first be worried about the consistency and the hard work. And when they come to me, they want to know how to get ripped, how to get jacked, how to have a six-pack, whatever it is. And I give it to them. But in my opinion, they don't need to worry at first about how many sets of this, how many sets of that, about rest times and specific exercises. Yes, you are going to need a little bit of tactics and strategies. You can't just go to the gym and do nothing, obviously. Or you have to have some sort of small game plan. But you don't need to get into a period undulation program. You don't need to get into like RPEs and all that. Just worry about being consistent first. And that's just been on my mind because, again, I relate this to the whole YouTube thing, right? For me, I have down the consistency. I am posting, publishing YouTube videos every single day, and it's been roughly, I don't know, almost 4 months now, 3.5, 4 months. And now I'm getting to the strategy and the tactics. But I first needed to be consistent and to work hard first. And this is relatable to like everything in life. I think we want to skip that consistency and skip the hard work and then go straight to the tactics, where the tactics and the strategies will come if you're consistent and if you work hard. So that's the message of the day. Let's get to some questions. First question comes from Sweeney Challenge. He asked, do you have any other challenges planned after your July calendar club challenge? Yes, there are a few challenges that I want to complete by the end of 2020. The first challenge is to complete my 36,600 pull-ups, and that's an average of 100 pull-ups per day. And that's something that's been ongoing and something that will continue on until the end of the year. Challenge number 2, redo my burn 10,000 calories in 24-hour challenge. Now that I have a new watch and I won't be using my Fitbit Ionic, it should last, so I'll be redoing that challenge again. And then I'll be running one 50-miler, I'll be running one 100-miler, and if the races don't open back up, I'm just going to do it self-supported. And if you all have any other challenges that you would like me to do, please let me know down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you all, and I'm probably gonna do them. The guy in the back asked, would you recommend having running shoes on your feet for long periods of time? Honestly, I don't know what you mean by this question. And my answer would have to be, it depends. Just think through the situation. For me, when I think of this question, when you say long periods of time, if I'm running for 24 hours in a row or I'm running 100 miles, I probably want running shoes on the whole time. Though, if I'm doing more of a trek, if I am doing more of a 7-day race and I'm taking breaks in between, then I'll probably take my running shoes off. Kelby and Adam asked, how do you edit so quickly? So for the most part, most of my vlogs are very minimally edited, and that's the way that I like it. It's my personal style and my personal preference. You just have to find what works for you. So basically what I do is I film each clip separately. I put all the clips together. I'll take the beginning and end out from each clip because of that awkward moment before you start filming and that awkward moment of when you're done filming. Put some overlays over it and then pretty much call it a day. If you look back on my vlogs, that's basically what I do. I'm trying to get a little more creative with it to put more overlays, especially video type of overlays, but that's pretty much it, and this style really works well for me. There are a few different clips that I get a little more creative. The split screen, for example, with my pull-ups and my squats. Though with that, you really just have to do it once, and then you can copy and paste it to Final Cut Pro the next time that you do it. Jashim says, I love my fried chicken too much to care about body fat. I fear heart disease too much to enjoy my fried chicken. What do I do? I know you're kidding with this question, though I'm going to give you a serious answer. I believe, and please consult your doctor, that no one thing is going to kill me. I'm a big believer in moderation, so you can have your fried chicken, just in moderation. Mark Douglas asks, 3,200 calories to maintain your weight? Actually, today is 3,400 calories, and tomorrow will be 3,500, and then the day after will be 36, because with each additional mile that I run for my July Calendar Club Challenge, I have to add an additional 100 calories. And today for lunch, I'm having a Mr. Pickles sandwich, some Ritz Crisp and Thins, and you know I gotta have some dessert with it. 2 Dunkin' Donuts. So thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions for me. I am always looking for more questions so that I can continue this Q&A section of my daily vlogs. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me out. If you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video right here. There's a video right here. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right here. See you all later today.